Hi guys, today we are going to see UVR, so under voltage relay. So this is we use for the AC. So this is a simple connection I'm shown here. So I'm going to explain the practically and connection and all the things on the UVR, how do we make the connection. So see here the phase and neutral we are take from phase from the breaker, control breaker to UVR's coil supply, and then this is a single phase UVR. So three phase UVR also same like that. So we are giving three phase supplies, but here single phase UVR we are using. So that's why we are giving single phase supply. So here 3 points are available: 15, 16, 18. The 15 is a common, 16 is a normally closed, and 18 is a normally open. So this is a connector to we run the AC. So now I am going to connect the one by one. First the UVR's coil supply. The A1 and A2 we are going to connect on the UVR side. So here we don't have a AC to run and show the thing. So now we are going to show the some indication lamp to show the how the UVR should be performing. Those are the things I am showing here. So UVR's coil supply I am going to connect right now. So phase is connected through the breakers, control breaker 2, and uh, another one phase also required for the coils. That means common supply of UVR relay. So see here, this is 15 is a common, so I'm going to connect and 15 of the common supply. So we take the phase looping into one is a UVR's coil supply, another one is a UVR's common. That means the relay is common terminal. So we connect the two terminals right now. So after that UVR's neutral, and then conductors neutral also we are going to connect. So here one is UVR's neutral going to connect on here. So A2 is a UVR's neutral. So mostly the UVR we need to use for the ACs, because of the ACs the compressor level is high and low. Based on the things we need to wait for the 5 minutes after any time of starting. So that's why we use UVR. So it's with the UVR plus timer. So conductors and neutral also required on here. So that's why I'm connecting another one terminal also. So now I'm going to connect the neutral of conductor. So mostly we use this UVR for the ACs. So this is commonly used in Gulf countries. So most of the countries use this kind of UVR to switch on the AC. So at the starting time of AC switch on, it's take for 5 minutes to switch on at any initial starting. So see here now the UVR's NO2. I'm going to connect the conductor's coil supply. So already conductor's neutral already given. So now I'm going to give the phase supply. So this is a simple connection of UVR. I'm going to run this UVR to show the how the UVR performing in at the time of in field. So this is a very simple and easiest way of we run the ACs by using this very good production of the AC. Because of the at the starting time of AC is not a problem. If in case the power is cut, and that means you are off, and then again it can go into switch on. It is no need to on immediately. You need to take some time to switch on. So that's why we provide the UVR. So because of the compressor's oil level and then their pressure level should be the need to higher, then it should be need to settle some, take some more time. So that's why I'm going here. So the conductors we are going to run this indication lamp only, green indication lamp. So that's why I'm connecting here. So this green lamp, when the UVR switch on, that's why then it should be on. That means when UVR is enabled, after 5 minutes only the UVR enabled. So then only it should be on. After that it should be off. So that's the thing I'm going to show here. So already I shown this kind of videos more, but this is a more clear I think, because of practically I'm shown on here first time. Before that I did not show for the clear practical things. So this is a very useful method, very useful to work this UVR and conductors and the load. So many of the UAEs and Dubai regions, many of them use this. This is a compulsory for the DEWA. So Dubai government, it is a very compulsion to use the UVR for the AC. It is a rule of DEWA also, Dubai Electricity. So this is a time setting. So here available up to 10 minutes, so minimum is 5 minutes. I'm going to fix a minimum 5-minute rating. So I'm going to switch on the UVR. So now is UVR switch on, but the conductor is not on, and then load also not on. Whenever the 5 minutes completed, then only UVR should be activated to switch on the conductor, and switch conductor to the lamp should be glow. So it will be take 5 minutes. So now it's a 5 minutes will be taken, and then so now it's not no need, so I'm going to skip this one to whenever you switch on, it's take 5 minutes to switch on. So that now I'm see the 5 minutes cross, so then only it's switched on, so the load should be now on. So this is a way of we are using UVR in field. If you have any doubt, please comment here, and thank you for watching. This is a UVR connection and simple way of explaining how many UVRs you can use for the how many ACs. So this is a simple one. Thank you.